आवर चैनल। आज हम अपने ओवन को जो है वो क्लीन करेंगे। ये अंदर से काफ़ी डर्टी हो चुका है, काफ़ी 1 ईयर से ज़्यादा इसका यूज़ हो चुका है। आप ये देख सकते हैं, ये ज़नूसी का ओवन है जिसको कि हम आज क्लीन करते हैं। अंदर से भी आपको दिखाते हैं। ये काफ़ी हद तक ये देखें कि कितने स्पॉट मार्क हैं ग्रीस के, ऑयल के। इधर आप देख सकते हैं अंदर, यहाँ पे भी बहुत मार्क्स हैं। इसको होपफुली आज हम डीप क्लीन करेंगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट। ये जो इसका जो कवर है इसको हम पुश करेंगे और पुश करके इसको पुल कर देंगे सिंपली। तो ये पुल करके ये निकल आएगा। और ये जो गिलास है इसके ऊपर का, इसको हम रिमूव कर लेते हैं। Okay, now we are going to remove this. First we will pull up this lever. We just have to press it and pull it like this. Similarly on this side as well, we will just pull it up. Now we'll lift the door and pull it out. See, the door is now out. We will clean the stuff and then we'll fix it again. Now we are removing these grills. We will wash it up. Now we are going to clean up the debris. We are using this HG oven grill and barbecue cleaner. This is the degreaser. We are going to spray this. And we'll leave it for half to 1 hour. Make sure to prevent your eyes from this spray because it's contagious and it's damaging for your hands as well. I'm wearing these rubber gloves to prevent the hand from these chemical burns.
Pinky gloves.
Don't go on the colors. Their purpose is to protect your hands. Now we'll try to pull out this. We have removed this grill as well. Now we will leave it for at least half an hour so that it should degrease automatically, and then we'll use the cloth to wipe it. With the help of this scorer and this dish cleaning liquid, we are going to rub it and hopefully it will be cleaned. As you can see, there are so many spots and grease marks which we are going to rub it and clean it. What the effort? But it is worth the effort to clean it. You can see it's clean and shining like new. We have washed these. Now these are drying up. We are cleaning the grills. This is the last grill that is remaining. After that, hopefully we will clean the oven. Where you can see we have applied this degreaser and it has worked a little bit. We will be using these brushes for cleaning the oven. Let's start. हमारा जो ओवन है हमने क्लीन कर लिया है. एज यू कैन सी इट्स परफेक्टली क्लीन नाउ. देयर इज नो डर्ट और एनी ग्रीस लेफ्ट हेयर. इट्स कंप्लीटली क्लीन. डिटॉल स्प्रे से जो है हम इसको क्लीन कर दे रहे हैं. तो हम क्लीन कर रहे हैं बिफोर वी कैन इंस्टॉल द डोर. सील को भी हम जो है अच्छे से इसको क्लीन कर लेंगे. डोर हम क्लीन कर रहे हैं. सेम डिटॉल क्लीनर से हम जो है वो स्प्रे करके इसको वाइप ऑफ कर लेंगे. ये क्योंकि ऑलरेडी हमारा जो है वो पहले भी 2-4 दिन पहले ही मैंने क्लीन किया था इसका एक्सटर्नल डोर जो है. तो इट्स नॉट दैट डर्टी. सो वी विल क्लीन इट अप विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस डिसइंफेक्टेंट स्प्रे. We have cleaned the door from inside, and after installing it, we will clean the outside part of this. Similarly, we are now going to lock it. We are washing this glass. We are drying up this glass, and then we are going to install it. So now we are placing this glass. We'll place this cover. हमारा जो ओवन है पूरा completely क्लीन हो चुका है. We have placed the grids and the shelves. Now we'll clean the exterior. After wiping the exterior, now the oven is completely cleaned. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can receive notifications for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.